UCA is organizing the Drone Hero Europe contest. It's a contest in which we ask all countries in Europe for candidates. Candidates can send in a short video with their ideas, what they are planned to do with drones or already do.
The Drone Hero competition has been very exciting for us as the organizers of the first Commercial UAV Expo Europe. It's been something very promotional and newsworthy that's brought a lot of attention from the press and from people from all corners of Europe who are doing really innovative things with drones, particularly in the sectors that we focus on, like infrastructure, transportation, energy, inspection, things like that. So it's been really interesting to see what people have come up with and submitted for our expert panel to judge.
Unifly's goal is to safely integrate drones into the general airspace so they can become part of our everyday lives. This is the reason we built a platform for the management of unmanned traffic.
We are an aerial intelligence company. We've been active for about a year. Everything from planning to analytics is all in the same platform. So when whether it's services like Unifly, which we are also integrated into, whether it's weather information, whether it's analytics services, we have all of these integrations built into the platform.
This is about using drones in constructions. Our research is to analyze what is possible to do with drones, and to see if it is possible to use drones to assemble small but resistant elements.
Today I will talk about the Minecraft drone. It is a drone which can detect and detonate landmines from a safe distance. So worldwide there are about 110 million landmines, and every 22 minutes someone is killed or maimed in a country. So we are looking forward to a landmine-free world. Thank you.
I am Bart and I'm presenting Cargocopter. Can we use drones, for example, in emergency applications? On this graph we can see that up to distances of 30 kilometers, the fastest solution would be this high-speed multicopter.
So I'm José Barata. I'm here presenting the drones right to life. We have an autonomous surface vehicle. And this autonomous surface vehicle, it acts like a kind of communication relay, and also something where you can have some first aids to bring to the people. So the first aspect of this, of our, I would say, architecture is the autonomous surface vehicle. They are searching for possible immigrant boats in the different areas.
My name is Jelena Petković, as Kevin mentioned, and I'm from Croatia, representing company Vectrino, and I'm here to present you one of our latest project, which is, as it's written, innovative method of mosquito control using drones. But basically, we are fighting the most deadly animal on Earth.
Very happy to be here to present you our project Valero. We are a team of 11 students of different faculties, and we did that as part of our undergraduate program. So our goal was to develop a drone that was unlimited in its flying capabilities. As you can see, if I tilt the drone, it adjusts its rotors to compensate for gravity.
So I think that with all the different applications of drones that we see around us in the expositions and actually in the presentations that we've seen so far, I think we are a slightly weird duck in this story. In the sense that for us the technology is actually just unlocking a bigger vision. With our technology, we actually think that we can cut the cost of wind energy as in general in half again, which would make it the most cheap source of electrical power in the world.
My name is Paweł Korzec, and this is a great honor for me to be here, and I really appreciate the possibility to present here. So, who we are? Basically, we are on the market since 2002, so this is more than 15 years currently, and during that time we've been creating the relationship with the ANSP in Poland. That relationship results by the end of the day that they allowed us to create the first in the world working UTM system at Poland, equally at civil and military airspace.
It's interesting for drone companies to participate in competitions like this for the simple reason that the majority who participate are SMEs, SMIs. The SMEs, SMIs have more problems in paying their rent at the end of the month than getting ideas. Now, because of the critical financial situation of the majority of them, they don't always have the possibility of bringing their ideas out to a general public and to a professional public of possible buyers. And competitions like this make it possible for the better companies, the better contestants, to make themselves known, but they also start understanding the importance of communication.
Of course, in our country there's still a lot of work to do on regulation level, but if we achieve in making a mature regulation, I believe that the drone industry can have a real future in Flanders and Belgium and Wallonia, which might be important. And for myself as a Minister of Defense, in my strategic vision I've written about the triple helix model, which is very important. I think we should invest as users, as end users of system, we should invest and work together in research, innovation, and try to find our own products.
We can say that all the projects were very, very, very interesting and also of high quality.
Hello, my name is Paweł Korzec and I'm co-founder of the Drone Radar ANSP solution. Yes, basically we act for aviation safety, European aviation safety, and we believe that this project will significantly increase the safety of whole aviation market in the whole world. And we believe that we promote the knowledge about the aviation to the total amateurs, but also integrate them into ANSP, air navigation service providers, because by the end of the day they will control the airspace.
My name is Masoud Hassani. I'm the founder of Minecafon Lab. So our organization is creating drones which can detect and detonate landmines from a safe distance. I mean, it's a nice initiative from the Drone Hero that they organize this kind of event to collect all the nice startups, new companies to be able to present here. And also it's a nice motivation for us. And that this kind of events keep us going.
We are Team Voliro from ETH Zurich from Switzerland. We are an interdisciplinary team of 11 students from different studies doing this as part of our bachelor program. Well, we are very proud of it, of course, and also surprised because we are a bunch of students just doing a project, and that it actually resonates so well with the world is really encouraging to us, and we see a lot of potential of further improvements and taking this further and see what we can do.
Vectorino is a Croatian company, so we are coming from Croatia, and it's R&D company. And our presentation was a presentation of our last project that we've been working for a year, and it's an innovative method of mosquito control using drones. And we are really honored and glad that it was recognized, and that the jury mentioned that the project itself and the method itself could have a major impact on international community, not only in Croatia.
Well, I'm Richard Rauterkamp. I've got a background in astrophysics, but at some point I became interested in the energy transition problem. And in 2009 I founded a company called Ampex Power, and we are using drone technology to try to solve, or at least speed up the transition between polluting energy sources and green energy sources. I think that what we are trying to achieve here is to give a clear example of where drone technology can actually be used on a large societal scale without having the confusion of, you know, the normal discussion, safety, what's that called again, privacy aspects. So we wanted to display our technology to give a clear example of a clear benefit of using drones for society.
My name is Guy Verhoeven. I have a small one-man business. It's called Skycan. I'm just trying to look and search what are the possibilities, what we can do with drones. And being a nurse, the search and rescue part is always a big part in my life. So saving people or trying to find people who are missing.
This was the Drone Hero Europe 2017. Thank you all.